Hello, my name is Valentino Hernando Samuel Matakena. I am from University YAI. I am accounting major. My NIM number is 211-419-0010. English for general purpose. My topic is travel regulation. The second is respect for cultural diversity and cultural rights. The third is the respect for cultural diversity and cultural rights of each person. The fourth is grammar discussion. So we go to the first one is the travel regulation. Before planning a travel schedule to the island of Bali, make sure you know the latest regulation based on the circular letter number 22 of the 2021 concerning provision for the travel of domestic people during the coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 pandemic. Requirements before leaving for Bali. The A is the show the vaccine card, the first or the second dose, and a certificate of the negative RT-PCR test result. Maximum is 3 the kali 24 hours before departure, the result of which have been integrated into the Peduli Lindungi application. The B is a show a vaccine card, second dose, and a negative rapid antigen test result certificate no later than 124 hours, whose the results are integrated in the Care for Protection application. C. You are also required to fill in the Indonesian EHIC in the Peduli Lindungi application. D. Children under 20 years old are allowed to travel. E. Travelers under the age of 20 years must be accompanied by parents or a family as an evidence by a family card and meet the requirement of the COVID-19 test. F. Obligation to show vaccine card is issued for the travelers under 20 years old, the tourists with a special health condition, or comorbidities that prevent tourists from receiving vaccine, provided that they must attach a doctor certificate from a government hospital stating that the person concerned has not and or cannot vaccinate against the COVID-19. The next is the document request before departure. The A is a negative result of the COVID-19 test in a laboratory that has been registered with the Ministry of Health and has been integrated with the Peduli Lindungi application. B. The personal identity card and fill in the Indonesian EHIC in the Peduli Lindungi application. Document check at the airport. After completing all the paperwork, you must follow this step during airport screening, including self-checking in the Peduli Lindungi application, how to enter unique or scan QR code from the COVID-19 test result in the Peduli Lindungi application. If you are fit to fly, a green information will appear on the screen, then a photo of the result to show to the staff at the entrance. If you are not airworthy, a red information will appear on the screen. Then you will be directed to the manual check by a KKP officer. When checking the departure gate, a photo or screen of the result or of the self-checking must be shown early, then an ID card to the officer. When you check in show the plane ticket, ID card, and the scan QR code for the negative result of the COVID-19 test in the Peduli Lindungi application to the officer. Before entering the waiting room, show the boarding pass and ID card and take off the mask for a moment to adjust the face to the ID card by the officer. Finally, before you get on the plane, the airline staff will check your boarding pass and ID card. The second is the respect for the cultural diversity and cultural rights. The concept of diversity and includes acceptation. Respect means Understanding that each individual is unique and acknowledging individual difference between humans, mutual understanding, and respect between people, culture, and the natural environment. A. Dress appropriately. Consider the local region, culture, and climate. When packing for a trip, dress code vary even within a country, and especially at an important religious and cultural site, where the conservative clothing is nearly always the most respectful option. Next, the B. Be mindful when photographing. Always ask permission before take photo calls with a smile and polite and respectful attitude in the surrounding environment so as not to disturb the surrounding residents. C. Learn of a bit local language. If you are in the residential area or in a holy place, try to speak their language, for example, like a thank you, greeting, and etc. 3. Respect for cultural diversity and cultural right of each person. First one is don't interrupt others. Of course, everyone doesn't like to explain things, but other people like to interrupt the conversation for sure. She will feel un, unappreciated and will often hurt. The second is never interfere in the other people's business. You should not make a personal problems, even interfere with the problem at hand, because it is a way to be able to respect someone's privacy more. However, you should be able to refrain from disturbing him, as this can offend other people. However, if you are asked for their opinion or advice directly, then you can share with each other. The truth is, don't forget the word of please when you want to ask someone for help. Of course, the other people will lose respect for you if you are rude to them when you ask for help. You don't want to say the word please to him. On contrary, you seem to comment him by force. After all, your problem is your own responsibility. Maybe you are proud to say this because you don't want to look like a beggar. Innovator, other people will actually consider the helping you if you can say nice and polite words to them. The fourth is don't underestimate other people's opinions. After all, a person's opinion is the fruit of his thinking that can at least respected by others, even if his opinion is wrong, because everyone has a different point of view in thinking. Therefore, if you are underestimate someone's opinion, he will definitely feel inferior, hurt, and even angry with you. It's best not to underestimate the opinion of others. The, the fourth is the be polite with the people you just meet. Dealing with the someone must be polite and friendly, so that other people can accept your existence, especially with people he just met. Of course, other people will always remember the first impression when meeting someone so that he can be more familiar in the future. The number four is a grammar discussion. The first is, do you want to take discussion with my group? The first is take, took, taken, taking, atau tidak, mengambil. The second is I think this discussion has reached a mutual agreement. Think, the second is tahu, the third is tahu, the third is thinking, the last is berpikir. The third is, do you like the group discussion topic we discussed? The first is like, the second is like it, the third is like it, the fourth is liking, and the last is menyukai. So this is my presentation. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Sorry for the wrong say or my attitude. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you.